Do you guys know what cash flow is at all? Have you heard of the term cash flow? No? Okay.
Honestly, my dad always told me to save, but that's about it.
What did your parents teach you about finance? Or what did you learn about finance?
Nothing.
Have you ever heard of the term cash flow before? Do you know what it means, cash flow?
The reason why statistics show that 95% of Canadians adopt a model of saving their money versus 5% of the people that are wealthy that are creating cash flow, because they inherited it from their parents.
If you work for money, you'll never get rich or wealthy.
Breaking free would be just having the choice, really, of doing what you want, when you want to do it, with whomever you would like to do it with.
Would you want the $1 million right now? Or would you want the $10,000 a month in cash flow for the rest of your life and your family's life for generations to come?